Whether you are in Nigerian or you are in diaspora, provided that you are Nigerian by birth and you want to apply for birth certificate reissue, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to simply apply for reissue of your birth certificate from National Population Censor without any stress. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone or PC, you can easily do this, provided that you have access to internet. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser or whatever browser available to you. In this video, I'm using Chrome browser. Open up your browser. Having opened up your browser, go ahead and click on search Google right here. Then go ahead and type in National Population .gov.ng. Hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you create a free account. So for that, click on this three slider. Then here you go. So at this point here, you want to make sure you choose your self-service about. Go ahead and click on services right here. Then here you go. Then at this point here, you can choose any of the service right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to ask for certificate reprint. That is date of birth certificate reprint. Then you'll be taken here whereby you will have to log in. So the first thing you need to do is to create a free account. Click on sign up. Fill up your data right here. Your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your password, confirm your password, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on, by signing up, you agree to our privacy information requirement. Click on here to review the privacy information. Then all you have to do is to scroll down right here. Just make sure you click on here. And then make sure you review. Then go back. Make sure you review everything. I have read this document. Click on it. Then make sure you click on this second one right here. Scroll down right here. I have read this document. Boom. So just make sure you click on NPC behind data protection. Click on that. So I have read all these. Then that's third. The fourth one I have read. The fifth one I have read. The sixth one I have read. And then you are done, just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on I have read the document and these, just like so. And it's going to take you back right here. Scroll down now and then go ahead and click on sign up right here. Verify your email address. Then here you go. So this is the OTP right here. Then go ahead and get the OTP. So this is the OTP right here. I'll copy the OTP. Then come back to the registration page and then fill up the OTP. Then click on continue. Account create successful. Then go ahead and sign in right here. Link NIN to your profile. Please link your NIN to have your existing registration linked to your account. All you have to do right there is to go ahead and click on proceed. Then go ahead and enter your NIN number right here. Then go ahead and click on validate. NI validate successful. Proceed to face match. And you'll be taken right here. Just log into your details. After successful login, simply scroll down right here. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on I have an old certificate. Then here you go. You have to read the instruction right here about 1 to 11 things you need to know about this, and a service charge of 3,000 is actually involved. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on here. Simply click on here. And the next thing you want to do is simply click on proceed. And then you will be taken to where you will need to make payment. You can either make payment. So here you can either make payment with bank card or pay with bank transfer or pay with USSD. After the successful payment, then you will now start to process your file document upload and everything. Then after that, your birth certificate will now they will start process your new reissue of your birth certificate. Once it's available, then you can download your new certificate from the website without any stress. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.